is back. Look here.
Oh, hey.
And this time we don't have a phone anymore. We have a camera.
Oh, and
have you seen it?
Camera. This is so pretty. I love the shades. Look at the shades. Oh, no way. This is so nice. I love it. Money well spent.
Depuis longtemps, baby, won't you be mine? J'aimerais que tu saches que I'm falling for you.
Alright guys, so we are not going to go to the details on how to make your ball cap. We have a video which I'm going to link at the card up at the right hand of this screen. And please do not wear your wig like that. This is wrong, guys. When you wear a wig, make sure you follow my steps so that you will be snatched like how she looked in the intro. Okay, so this is the glue which I'm going to use, and I'm going to use 3 layers of it. I'm going to apply it 3 times until it dries clear before I stick the lace on her forehead. Now you can see how dry it is. It's now dry clear, so you have to start by sticking the center part of her forehead, and then you move towards the sides and cut the extra lace which is under her ears. Make sure you cut this extra lace on her forehead in layers, like tiny pieces, and make sure before you cut it in a zigzag manner. Like do a zigzag manner. I'm so sorry, I didn't realize that I was blocking the camera. Please, I have so many videos showing you the same steps, which I'm going to link at the end of this video or at the top right hand of this card. But make sure you watch this video, like, share and subscribe. Yes, whenever you cut the lace, try to press it down to her scalp so that it should be laid flat. I don't want to see you wear a wig like this.
Imagine.
It looks good though, but man, why would you? You always need a hot comb so that you can take away the hair, the flying hairs, and also the baby hairs away from her face, so that you can actually do your melt down without disturbance, because those flying hairs always try to disturb your styling. Okay, so right now I'm taking away those hairs, and then I'll go ahead and do my melt down. You also need your Got2b holding spray or any hair holding spray you have to spray at the hairline, and then you use your rubber band to melt your lace down to the client's scalp. So this is what makes the melt, this is what hides the lace from the scalp. So you need to do this step. This is very important. Listen to me, young ladies. If you have a straight wig and you want it to look sleek, like the Instagram models, this is exactly what you should do. You know, wigs are made in strands, like they sew it line to line. So make sure you have a mannequin head when you own a closure when you own a straight wig. Put it on your mannequin head, or you wear it, or you go to the salon for the salon people to make it for you. Put it on a mannequin head, open it strand to strand, and straighten it as I'm doing on this video. You need a hot iron, you need your Babyliss machine, maybe your straightening iron, and maybe a comb. If you can't use a comb, use a brush or anything that can hold the hair straight while you are straightening it. Please, if you have straight hair, this is what you need to be doing every time you want your wig to look sleek. Nobody's hair will always remain straight. Once it touches your skin or your clothes, it's going to look as if it is chunky or something, or tangled. It's not tangled. Just straighten it strand to strand and you will like how it looks. Okay, please, if you own a straight wig, this is what you should be doing. Either a bob straight wig or a long straight wig, anyone, you need to open strand to strand to make sure it is sleeky straight. I don't know if I'm making sense. Please try to follow these steps. Look how sleek it is. It was first of all chunky. You can see now how sleek it looks. So it's not always about bad hair, it's about maintenance. If you can't maintain your wig, even if it's your natural hair, it's going to destroy, it's going to maybe break out, or I don't know. Once you don't take care of your wigs, it's going to not, it won't last long. So please make sure you always wash and condition your wigs. Make sure you always detangle. I've used this hair, I've installed, this is the second time we are installing this wig, but it still looks very nice. I will link the video up where I first of all installed it. It was live. That was the first time I installed it. This is the second time. Look how bouncing it is. Can you imagine the same wig I showed in the beginning of this video is the same wig right now? Look how bouncing it is. Just take your time to take care of your hair and everything will be okay. Please guys, do this for me. I don't want to be seeing people wearing wigs as if you are a Chinese goddess. Please, Chineke, I am begging you guys in the name of God. Thank you. So I'm just going to do the baby hairs. I'm going to fast forward this video. I won't be showing detailedly how to do the baby hairs, but if you can catch it, you catch it. But I have a detailed video which I'm going to link up here. If you want to see how I do the baby hairs on a wig, on a mannequin head, or anywhere, please click that video when you're done, or click the card. You will see so many videos which I linked on this video. You can watch all those videos to detailedly understand how everything works. Okay guys,
Oh, thanks. No. What do you think?
I think both will still look good.
Oh, this is so pretty. I love it so much.
It's not dry. This side is not dry.
Okay. This is so nice. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Hey.
Everything laid.
Everything is laid. Oh God, it's nice.
You just have invitation.
You can just say reinstallation or whatever, because I did it before. But I don't think I'll ever install this wig without you. I'll probably every time when I want to install them bring it. Because this one needs like, it's, you know.
Okay.
This is so pretty. I love the shades. Look at the shades. Oh, no way. This is so nice. I love it. Money well spent. Right?
Let's see the back. Spin, let's see the back. Spin, just spin.
Oh, it's spinning.
For me. Put the head behind.